In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Homebrew on your Mac computer. It's very simple and easy. At first, we need to go the Homebrew website. We can access directly by brew.sh, brew.sh. And once we are there, then we'll find a line of code is like this. So this is the command we need to install Homebrew on our Mac. We just need to click here and the enter command will be copied. Now just open Spotlight search from here and start typing terminal. And you'll see terminal is there. Just double click over there and very shortly you'll see the terminal is there. Now just paste it by pressing command key and V key together, and you'll see that line of command, and then hit the return key, and very shortly it will ask you to type the password. I'm going to type my Mac password. You have to type your Mac password and hit enter key one more time, and after that you have to wait a few minutes just to install. Sometimes it will give you this type of thing. Please press enter to continue or any other key to abort. So I'm going to press the enter key to continue the installation, and it will take some time. Once it is installed successfully, then you will get the confirmation message like thing. Okay, so here you see that it's installed properly, and that's it. In this way you can easily install Homebrew on your Mac computer. After the installation of Homebrew is complete, then you can close this thing and it will be closed.